Learn English daily.
Hey Jordan, I've been thinking about our picnic next week. What will you be doing at this time next Saturday?
Oh, hi, Alex. At this time next Saturday, I'll be preparing sandwiches and snacks for the picnic. I want to make sure we have plenty of food to enjoy.
That sounds great. While you're doing that, I'll be packing the picnic basket with plates, cups, and utensils. I'll also be grabbing a cozy blanket for us to sit on.
Perfect. While you're doing that, I'll be picking up some fresh fruits and drinks from the local market. I think having a variety of fruits will add a nice touch to our picnic.
Definitely. And while you're out shopping, I'll be making a playlist of our favorite songs on my phone. I think some good music will create a wonderful ambience.
Agreed. While you're working on the playlist, I'll be checking the weather forecast for next Saturday. It would be disappointing if it starts raining during our picnic.
True, planning around the weather is important. While you're checking the forecast, I'll be inviting a few more friends to join us. The more the merrier.
Sounds like a plan. And while you're inviting friends, I'll be double-checking if we have any outdoor games like frisbee or a ball. It'll be fun to have some games to play.
Absolutely. While you're getting the games ready, I'll be looking up the best spot in the park for our picnic. Somewhere with a nice view and shade, perhaps.
Good idea. And while you're scouting for the perfect spot, I'll be making sure we have a first aid kit handy, just in case.
Safety first, of course. While you're organizing the first aid kit, I'll be reminding everyone to bring their own water bottles to stay hydrated.
Excellent. It seems like we've got everything covered. Next Saturday is going to be fantastic.
Indeed, I can't wait. It's going to be a day filled with good food, good company, and lots of fun. I'm looking forward to it.
Hi, Mike. I'm glad we could meet up today. This time next week, what will you be doing before your big interview?
Hey Sarah, thanks for meeting up. Well, at this time next week, I'll be researching the company thoroughly. I want to be ready to answer any questions about their goals and values.
That's a smart approach. While you're researching, I'll be practicing my answers to common interview questions. I want to sound confident and well prepared.
Good plan. While you're practicing, I'll be selecting the appropriate attire for the interview. It's important to make a good first impression.
Definitely. And while you're picking your outfit, I'll be reviewing my resume and making sure I can talk about my experiences and skills clearly.
Sounds like a solid strategy. While you're reviewing your resume, I'll be rehearsing my elevator pitch. I want to introduce myself effectively and concisely.
Great idea. While you're practicing your pitch, I'll be jotting down a few questions to ask the interviewer. It shows my interest in the role and the company.
That's essential. And while you're preparing questions, I'll be researching the person who will be interviewing me. It's good to know a bit about them too.
True. While you're researching the interviewer, I'll be mentally walking through my commute and planning to arrive a bit early.
Being punctual is crucial. While you're planning your commute, I'll be setting up a backup alarm, just in case.
Good thinking. And while you're setting alarms, I'll be taking a moment to relax and visualize a successful interview.
Visualization can really help calm nerves. And while you're doing that, I'll be making sure my portfolio and any documents are all organized and ready to take with me.
Staying organized is key. It seems like we've got a solid plan for our interviews. We'll both do great.
Absolutely, Sarah. With this preparation, I'm feeling more confident already. Let's give it our best shot.